So good morning. Let us go further. Let us solve some more examples on logarithms. Example: if log 8 equal to here given log of 8 and log of 9. Using 8 and 9, we have to find out the log of 6. How to get 6 by using 8 and 9. So for that, let us do like this. Log of 6. How you write the 6? 2 into 3 equal to 6. So log of 6 equal to log of 2 into 3. Log of 6, 2 into 3, that is equal to log of a into b equal to log of a plus log of b. Applying that logarithm rule. So log of 2 plus log of 3. Now this is log of 2 and log of 3. The next. So using 8. ಈಗ 8 ಮತ್ತು 9 ಬಳಸಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ ಈಗ log of 6 ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. Log of 6 is can be written as like this. Now log of 8. How can split the log of 8? Log of 8 ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? ಎರಡನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? So log of 8 I can write it as 8 equal to 2 cube. 2 cube equal to 8. So log of 8 equal to log of 2 cube. So again, this is applying the logarithm rule here. Log of a raised to m equal to m into log of a. Applying that rule, that becomes 3 into log of 2. Log of 2. So that is simplification. So log of 2. So log of 8 equal to this. Log of 8 equal to 3 into log of 2. Leave this. So therefore, log of 2 equal to, because we need the log of 2 and log of 3. So log of 2 equal to, here 3 is there, you have to cancel this 3. So divided by 3 on both sides, you get, so 1 by 3 into log of 8. That is, so therefore, log of 2 equal to log of 8 divided by 3, or 1 by 3 into log of 8. That is 1 by 3 into log of 8 is given. See, 8 is given 93030. Now dividing. So you know the dividing rule. So as a normal division, so this becomes 0.3010. Similarly, log of 9. Log of 9 equal to, so I can split this as log of 3 squared. So 9 means, so 3 squared. So again applying the logarithm rule, this becomes 2 into log of 3. 2 into that equal to log of, so log of 3. So log of 9 equal to 2 into log of 3. Therefore, log of 3, this log of 3 equal to, you have to remove this 2. So divided by 2 on both sides. Here cancels. So log of 9 divided by here divided by 2. Here also divided by 2. That 2 cancels. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into log of 9. Simple mathematics. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into log of 9 is given here. So this into this. So divided by 2 equal to 0.4771. Now we have, so this log of 8 and log of 9 is can be written like this. ನಮಗೇನಾಗ್ತು ಇದರಿಂದ, ಸೊ ಗಿವನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ಮತ್ತೆ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ಸಿಕ್ತೀಗ. ಈಗ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದಿಸ್ values. See, log of 2 equal to 0.010 and log of 3 equal to 0.771. These, using these two, you can find out easily the log of 6. 2 into 3. So log of 2 plus log of 3. Say this log of 2 plus log of 3. So put the values of log of 2 here and log of 3. Simple addition, that becomes 0.7781. This is the procedure for finding the log of 6. Next is log of 15. Similarly, log of 15, see here, log of 15 can be splitted like this, the in the multiple of 5 into 3. ನಮಗೀಗ 5 ಮತ್ತೆ 3 ಸಿಕ್ತು, ಮತ್ತೆ 5 ಸಿಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು? ವಿ ನೋ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ 3. ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ಮತ್ತು ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಈಗ 6 ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 5 15 ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ this 5.4. So hagagi, so what we do is, so log of 5 again. So we know log of 3. Log of 3 is already given. Log of 3 is here, that is given, no problem. Then log of 5. Only the problem is, so to find the log of 5. How to find the log of 5? Again, we know the log of 2. So by using 2 and 10, we can use this log of 5 equal to 10 divided by 2. Log of 10 ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, that is understood. 1 ಅದು. So log of 2 is given. So using 2 and 10, so we can find the value of log of 5. That is log of 5 equal to log of 10 by 2. So applying the rule of logarithm, so a divided by b or log of m divided by n equal to log of m minus log of n. Applying that rule, that becomes log of 10. Log of 10 is 1. Huh? Already known you. And minus log of 2. Log of 2 is here. 0.3010. Therefore, this becomes log of 5 equal to 1 minus 0.3010. That is equal to 0.6990. 5 here, log of 5 equal to this. Answer is this. So log of 5. So the log of 15 equal to log of 5 is 0.6990 plus log of 3. Log of 3 is here. So simple addition. So that becomes 0.17, 1.1761. This is the log of value of the log of 15. Next is log of 5.4. So here again you have to make trick here. So 50.5.4 is there. So 5.4, how you can write this? This can be written as, see, ಈಗ ನಾವು ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ, ಮೂಲ ಇದು 8 ಮತ್ತು 9 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈಗ ಲಾಗ್ 8 ಮತ್ತು 9 ಸೇರಿ 2.7 ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸುಲಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವೀಗ, ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ 2 and 10 we can do that. ಸೊ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ 5.4 ಇದನ್ನ 27 2ರಿಂದ ಗುಣಿಸಿದ್ರೆ 24 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ 2.7 ಅನ್ನ 2ರಿಂದ ಗುಣಿಸಿದರೆ 5.4 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ 2.7 into 2, that gives you 5.4. So again this 2.7 again splitted divided by 2. A into b ಆದ್ರೆ log of a plus log of b. So log of a plus log of b. Log of b is equal to 2. So ಇದು you know this, log of 2 ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಬರೋದು ಇದು 27/10. I can write this as a divided by b equal to log of a minus log of b. ಅದೇನಾಯ್ತು ಈಗ ಟೋಟಲ್? So that becomes, so log of 5.4 equal to log of 5.4 equal to ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಈಗ, log of 3 squared. 3 squared means I can write this as 3 into log of 3, 3 into log of 3 minus log of 10. Log of 10 is 1 plus log of 2. Log of 2 is 0.3010. Log of 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 3 into log of 3 is this 0.4771. 0.4771 minus 1 plus 0.3010. So this multiply this by 3 and 1 is there. Add and simplify, you get the answer. Answer is, you can check at home also. So answer is somewhere here. So answer is 0.7323. So this answer is 0.7323. Check that. Log of 0.7323. This is the answer. So you work it yourself and get the answer. Next is this. Find the, now let us go further by simple example. So far you have considered only single number only, these numbers only. Now let us go actual real problem where actually logarithm is used. So logarithm is used to simplify the complex mathematics, complex calculations. Complex calculation means here this. See, so find the value of this by using the logarithm. By using the logarithm. This is the example, actually real example. So log of 23.45 square into, sorry, find the value of 23.45 square into 0.5976 raised to half. Half means square root. So half means, so x raised to half means that is root of x. So 2 raised to half means square root of 2. If it is instead of 2, if you write, this is by the usual mathematics, surds, indices and surds. So 2 raised to 1 by 2 equal to square root of 2. If 2 raised to 1 by 3 equal to, this is cube root of 2. Cube root of 2. And similarly, 2 raised to 1 by 4 equal to 4th root of 2. Cube root of 2. So applying that indices, this is 0.495976 raised to half, or otherwise you can also sometimes it can be written as like this, square root of this. Square root of this 0.5976 is same as 0.5976 raised to half divided by whole divided by 0.3563 raised to cube into 34.74 raised to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means cubic root, as I said. So 2 raised to 1 by 3 means cube root of 3 equal x equal to this. Taking logarithm, LO means logarithm on both the sides. This is the procedure what you write in the examination. So let x equal to the given example and taking the logarithm on both the sides, we have log of x equal to now apply the all the rules of this. See, whatever are applicable here, the logarithm rules, you have to apply all those things. This a squared or m squared. So log of first is there are two steps. First is the numerator and denominator. Here a divided by b. So log of a by b equal to log of a minus log of b. Applying that rule, this becomes this becomes log of numerator. This is a numerator, log of numerator divided by log of denominator. So I apply that. So again, see each step you have to apply the logarithm. See, so log of x equal to log of this, log of 23.45 raised to half. See, log of 23.45 raised to half, half alla, square, square plus ಏನಿದೆ into ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ, so log of a into b, log of a into equal to log of a plus log of e, applying that rule. So plus log of 0.5976 raised to half. This is whole divided by is there. So whole divided means this is actually whole minus minus this plus this. I have actually skipped one step here. So this minus log of this is actually log of a plus log of b. Again outside minus is there, so minus into plus is minus, applying that rule. So this becomes this also minus, this also minus, reduce like this. So minus log of 0.3563 cube plus into minus is again minus this 1 by 3 into log of 34.74. Now again this raised to square equal to 2 into, I have straight away I can return the values of 3701. See, log of 2 into this is power is there, so 2 into log of this. Actually one step I have skipped on here, also one step skipped. So log of 23.45 raised to square raised to 2 equal to 2 into log of this, log of 23.45. Here first again, so to find the logarithm value, there are again two steps are there. So first is the characteristic part and Mantissa part. What is the characteristic part here? So before decimal point, how many numbers, how many integers are there? 2, 3, only 2 integers are there. So less 1 minus 1. So number of digits minus 1 gives you the characteristic part. So the number of digits here only 2. So 2 minus 1 gives you 1. Therefore the characteristic part is here 1. 4 digits number. So go to the logarithm table and come to the row of 23 and move towards the same row and get the find the value in the fourth column. So you get one number, then again continue the same row and find the mean difference column. There go to the column they headed by 5. There one number will be there, normally 2 or 3 will be there. So add that number to the this number, that gives you 0.3701, that you already known. So I have already explained that minus 1 equal to minus 1. Minus 1 can be written as bar 1. See, that is why this is bar 1. 0, but here digit is there. If they suppose instead of 0.5, instead of that, if it is say 0.05, then again you have to consider this 0. Then it becomes bar 2. So minus 1, 0, number of digits is 0, number of digits equal to 0. Therefore, this is 0 minus 1 equal to 1. Now, minus 1 equal to that is bar 1, bar 1 point. So again, same rule. Forget the decimal point. Go to the 59th column. The character. This is a characteristic part. This is a mantissa part. Mantissa means fraction. Characteristic point means integer part, integral part. This bar 1. Then go to the 59th row and move towards headed by the column 7. Headed 7. Find that number. Still move in the same line. Come to the mean difference column and find the number which is headed by the in the column headed by 6. So that number is added to the this number, that gives you 0.7764. So this becomes logarithm of this value equal to bar multiplication. That is all you should know, but you should know all addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, how to do all those things, that you should know. Unless you know all those things, you can't simplify at all. So this there in the examination also there is one question about 20 around 20 marks will be on logarithms. Around 20 marks on logarithms is there in the second part also. So 7 marks and 8 marks, two questions will be there. So you have to solve similar examples. So this carries actually 7 marks. So the simplification, 2 into this, 2 into guess, 2 into this, 2 is it becomes fraction. So to make it integer, ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಬಾರ್ 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಇದೆ, 1/2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0.5 ಆಯ್ತು, ಹೌದಾ? ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 0.5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ? ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ 0.5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೇಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಪವರ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದು. ಈಗ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಈಗ 100 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನು? 100 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 10⁻². therefore ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? log of 100 to the base 10 equal to 2. log of 100 to the base 10, ಈ 2 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದೇ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ನ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಅದು. ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ -1 ಬಾರ್ 1 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಬಾರ್ 1 ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 1/2 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ರೌಂಡ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಡ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ, ಬಾರ್ 1 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ -1. -1 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? 0.5 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, -0.5 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ -0.5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಪವರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನ ಪವರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ? ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೌಂಡ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ, ಸೊ 2 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2. ಈಗ 2 ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಈಗ 1 ಇರೋ ಬದಲು 2 ಇದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು? ಸೊ 2 into 1, 2 1 2 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತು. ಇದು 2 ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಹಾಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ -1, ಬಾರ್ 1 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ -1. -1 is there. ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಡೂ ಈಸ್, ಸೊ -1 is as it is. So again one more -1, so -1 becomes -2. But if we simply add the number -1, then there is a change in value. Therefore what I do is, so -1 already is there, so again one more -1 and +1, because there is no change in value. This cancels, original will be the same. But -1 ಮತ್ತು -1 ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? -2 ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ -2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಈಗ ಇದೆರಡು ಸೇರಿಸ್ರಿ, ಇದೆರಡು ಸೇರಿಸಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ -2 +1 ಆಯ್ತು ಈಗ, ಹೌದಾ? -2 ಆಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಆಯ್ತು. ಹಾಗೆ ಈಗ ಸುಲಭ ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 2 1 2 ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದು ಮಾಡೋ ಸಲುವಾಗಿಂದ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್. ಈಗ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ನೋಡಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರುವಂತ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿ ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗಲ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? ವಿ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್, ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್, and this is as it is. So bar 1 point, bar 1 is -1 plus 0.7764. This is next is minus 3 into this, I can write this as bar 1 point, I can write this as bar 1 is minus 1 plus 0.5523. You know this, huh? Minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 point, and you can divide easily, no problem. 0.5, that becomes the characteristic part, no problem. Huh. So here also you can do this. Of course, minus, again this becomes minus and plus. Minus is there. So minus 2 minus 0.5, this becomes the same answer you get. However, this one more procedure. Now the simplification, 2.7402. So minus 2 into 2 divided by this is minus 1 plus. So here next step is actually add this. This is taken, already considered, minus 1 taken. So 1 plus 1 is there, plus 1 plus 0.7764, that becomes 1.7764. So divided by 2 is here. So that is equal to 0.88. 2 ಎಂಟ್ಲೆ 16, 1 ಉಳಿತು, ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಎಂಟ್ಲೆ 16, ಮತ್ತೆ 1 ಉಳಿತು, 2 ಎಂಟ್ಲೆ 16, 2 ಎಂಟ್ಲೆ 4. ಹೌದಾ? So that is the simple school mathematics. Plus 3 ಆಯ್ತು. ಇದು this 3 5 15, this into 3, that gives you the 2.1705. Plus ಏನಾಗ್ತಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಫೇಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ, this minus 1 by 3 into this 3 5 15 0.5523, this number ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ. 0.5 ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ 6, this and minus 0.51, this 3 1 3 5 15, 3 15, 3 1 3, 1 ಉಳಿತು 10 5 3 3 9, that gives this figure, right? Now further simplification, that becomes, this is as it is, this is so minus 1 plus 0.882 plus 3, this is, add this, you get that answer. Next is 2.7402 plus bar 1 0.8882, you add by adding, so 0.8295, this equal to simple addition, so 3.4579 by simply adding this 2 plus here, you have to add these two and subtract this from the with the figure. What you get the result, from the result you subtract this number, you get 3.4579, and this equal to the log x, because we have started from log x. So therefore x equal to, this is the value of x, no, we have to, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ನಾವು x ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ, let x equal to, ಇದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ x ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ log x ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಬಂತು, log x ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಇದಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬೇಕು. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ನಮಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲ ಮೂಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆಂಟಿ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಂಬರ್, ದಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಯು. ಇದನ್ನ ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ ಫಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಅನ್ನು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈಗ ಆಂಟಿ ಲಾಗರಿಥಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, 0.47 ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, 7th ಕಾಲಮ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೀನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ 9 ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದು ಇದು ಕೂಡಿಸಬೇಕು, ಬಂದು ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಆಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 28769 ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ 3 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪುಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಈಗ 3 ಇದೆ, ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಈಗ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ -1 ಮಾಡಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆಡ್. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 3 ಇದೆ, 3 plus 1 gives equal to 4. ಇದು ರೂಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇರ್ತದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಒಂದನ್ನ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 4 ಸ್ಥಾನ ಆಯ್ತು, 1 2 3 4 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ 2869 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇರೋ ಬದಲು 1 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, 1 plus 1. Let us stop here today. So thank you.